Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be discussing the latest increase in phishing attempts. And what we're seeing is either coming from Office 365, Microsoft, or in this particular case, Outlook. So they've used the Outlook logo, and it says, please complete your account verification and revalidate account ownership. It says that it's coming from Microsoft head office, but if you look over here, what's going to happen, you can see the link that it's taking you is actually to a scam link. The same thing over here, to review your recent activity. If you hover over it, you can see this link that's over here. It's really trying to get you to click on it. It's not coming from Microsoft, it's not coming from Outlook. What they're doing is that they're trying to get access to your email account. So if you click on it, you're going to end up giving them your access to your Office 365 or to your emails. And once they're in there, then they can start looking for ways to get into your system or correspond with your contacts. So if you ever see this, the best thing to do, delete it. Do not click on the links. If you do, it's going to cost you a lot of money. If you've got any questions, give us a call, 281-647-9977.